Introducing the Nescafe Alarm Cap. In 2014, Nescafe decided to renew its image, and with that, its iconic packaging. Through scientifically proven light and sound sequences designed to stimulate people, we turned Nescafe's cap into an alarm clock. Opening the cap turns the alarm off, inviting you to wake up with the unique aroma of Nescafe. The alarm caps are currently awakening Nescafe lovers, opinion leaders, and media personalities around the world. Caps designed to reach every home and show us the best way to wake up is to awaken ourselves.